What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Maria here, and we have
Miss Jordan Alexis.
She is my beautiful sister-in-law who is visiting from Arizona, so I had to include her in this week's video.
We're gonna be doing basically a twin look.
Yeah.
So, same look, same exact techniques, same colors, same everything, except different skin tones.
And since I am the one who tends to be a little more dramatic when it comes to makeup, she's gonna be following along with me. We'll see you guys in like 2 seconds. We're gonna get started with first drinking some wine. We have some cupcake Moscato. We are gonna jump right in and use this vitamin C brightening booster. So the directions say to put 3 drops on your face and mix it, but I feel like 3 drops isn't a lot.
It's like a serum, yeah? Oh, watermelon, green tea, pineapple. Because I don't know how these work, so I'm really asking you.
Oh, really?
Oh.
You've never
no,
used
I've
those?
never used anything like this before.
So awesome.
Oh,
like,
shoot, I'm supposed to use my brush.
oh well. Yeah, I have a bunch of serums. They're so dope. Like, you can mix them into your foundation and you can make them like more glowy. You can mix them into your eyeshadow and then make it more like pigmented. It's just really good for your skin. It's really good to apply it before makeup. It makes your makeup look that much better.
It kind of burns a little bit here. Is it supposed to? I'm serious.
I don't think it's supposed to burn.
Like the vitamin C, maybe it's because my skin is
just have, like,
clean.
I feel like the burning sensation is kind of nice.
You know it's working, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I could be wrong. It could be an allergic reaction, and always talk to your doctor
before you slather stuff all over your
Don't
face.
sue me. We're gonna use the Colourpop Fresh Face Primer, and you're just gonna, honestly, I usually apply it to my face, but let's try new things today. Like, to your face so you can apply it. And what this does is it just like really, I mean, it's a primer. It primes your face for makeup. I like this one a lot because it also is like a serum. So it just adds that like very glowy look to your foundation and not like dry, because nobody likes dry makeup. Today's goal is to use as many Colourpop items as we have. So primer, we have this like, it's a tinted moisturizer, lipstick,
liquid liner as well, and I have a mascara.
I might not do liquid liner.
Don't you worry.
Listen up, this is one of my biggest secrets, guys. I cannot master eyeliner. Like, there is just no bone in me I can make something that straight. Like, I have to use tape, I have to use a spoon, I have to use so many things to do my eyeliner, so I just don't do it. Like, if you guys go back on my Instagram, I probably have 1 picture with eyeliner, and I probably had a breakdown before that. Might have cried. I don't know if I'm gonna do eyeliner. What do you use on your face?
A moisturizer. It's Boscia. I have the facial cleanser, powder foundation, tinted moisturizer, but I don't ever use
Concealer?
Nope.
No setting powder?
Don't know how to use it, so
What about your eyebrows?
Elf pencil.
So we're using the Anastasia Dip Brow, the color Ebony.
Brush them up?
Yep, brush them up. So start at the arch and just make your way toward the end of your eyebrow. You don't want to take it all the way up because you don't want the top of your brows to look really rough. And then once you're done stroking all the way like back, look it up. Yeah, okay. Very light product because you don't want that part of your eyebrow to look harsh and dark. It just doesn't look good. So
it looks so bold.
Yeah. So yeah, this product that you have like right under your eyebrow, you're gonna bring it. Oh my god, I have eyelash glue on my eyelid. We're gonna go in with the Tarte concealer and the shade Light. We're basically just gonna define the bottom of our brows and then mix it all over our eyelid. With a flat brush, we're gonna go very little and just start. I always start with like the beginning of my brow. You want to make sure that you're making it even. So like if you see that your eyebrows are like a little uneven, this is like the perfect way to fix it. Yeah.
Okay.
And then just follow your natural eyebrow shape. Now you're gonna go in and just tap on it.
Oh, wait.
A flat kabuki brush. We're gonna mix it all in and try to like, what I like to do is I press my eyebrow up.
Okay, to tighten
Yep.
it. Then bring it down.
Now for our colors, we were thinking about doing like a peachy pink, you know,
Something sweet.
truly, madly, deeply. So we want to create a peachy pink look out of these. So let's pick some colors. We have this Colourpop California Love. For the base, we're gonna go in with the Bay and the California Love palette. So let's do it. I'm just gonna mix it all over my eyelid. So start down in my eyelid and bring the product up right to your crease. basically your eyelid should be covered in the bay. Now we're gonna go in with Gold Rush and we're gonna apply that to your outer crease, and get it in there.
But just in the crease.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, just in the crease and like in the end of your eye, and then you kind of want to like blend it in right on your crease, and then start kind of taking the product lightly onto your inner eye, slowly, because you want this side to be more darker than the inner of your eye.
So fading?
Yep, fading.
Okay. Ow. Ow, give me that.
It feels weird.
It hurts.
But I really want to just like blend it in, you know?
That's all I had to say.
Oh, you ready? Girl! Next, we're gonna go in with like a flat concealer brush. Conceal our eyelids just a little bit because I want to add like a shimmer to that. So you just tap on it. As pigmented.
Just bringing that brush at me.
Bring it like that. We are going to add a shimmer, so we want to conceal our whole bottom lid. Let's pick a shimmer. We are going to use Hungry Ghost. It's super bright. This one right here. Super bright, super beautiful.
It'll be a nice contrast to both our skin tones, I think. And especially with the warm colors that are on the eyes.
And spray my brush with natural finish setting spray. So you guys can use water if you guys don't have any setting spray. The reason why I like to use this is because shimmer tends to just like fade away throughout the day when you guys are working and stuff. And if you just add a little bit of the setting spray, it leaves it pigmented and it makes it last all day. So you don't have to worry about your shimmer like shimmering away.
Whoa.
Whoa, Cyrus. Holy moly!
So all up to the crease?
Yeah.
Wow.
Ooh, that's pretty. I know it looks all crazy, but like that is such a pretty color mixed together. Wow. This is the exciting part. We're gonna go in with the Colourpop Pretty Fresh. It's a tinted moisturizer.
Hyaluronic acid tinted moisturizer.
She has a different shade than I do. What shade do you have?
Mine is medium dark, number 16N.
Fair 4N. So 2 different shades of Colourpop. Grab your foundation brush and mix that in. Well, I use this much. And I'm just gonna touch one side, touch the other side. I don't like applying any product to my forehead. I'm quickly gonna just get some product and outline the top of my brow.
I'm not gonna look like you in the end.
You might. So I'm gonna start mixing in my tinted moisturizer. So far, my opinion, because I've used this once before, it's super light, convenient for summer when you don't want to use such a heavy full coverage foundation and stuff.
I like it because it's lightweight and it goes on pretty smooth and you don't feel like you have a... I guess my biggest reason for not using liquid foundations is because it clogs my pores. So because this is so light, it feels like my face can actually breathe. And it doesn't look like it's heavy too. So me living in Arizona, impossible not to sweat as soon as you walk outside. You know, liquid foundations would be really hard to use out there for most people, especially in the summer.
Everywhere.
Do go up to my forehead.
Is it because it's big?
It is.
Exactly.
But we're not gonna talk about that.
Look, I'm just gonna
start this.
No, I'm just gonna say it. I think big foreheads are so cute. We're gonna go in and fill in our arch.
More brow? I thought I was done with them. Sheesh. You said it takes 10 minutes. You meant nothing.
I like, let me see.
Brush them up again.
So the thing about outlining your brows with foundation, BB cream, whatever it is that you use, it basically gives you a clear picture of what you want to fill in. So as you guys can tell, I want to fill in my arch up here. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill it in very lightly. It's like basically like the same thing I did from the bottom. Once you get to the front part of your eyebrow, you want to use a very, very light hand and just mix it.
I'm always do me. So how do I make sure that, can I brush my brows like this?
Yeah, of course you can.
It's not even.
It doesn't matter. Eyebrows.
It does matter.
Eyebrows are cousins. They're not twins or sisters, whatever. So you guys.
Mine are not even related.
Look at me. Look up.
I did it.
Everyone
Damn,
like
those are some eyebrows. Whoa!
Whoa, it just starts
Wow.
wiggling off.
Mm.
Okay.
Can you do the worm with your?
No, I cannot.
Oh.
I can't even like, I can barely wink. I'm not good at winking. But concealer time, guys. Yup. Go ahead and get that triangle. Oops. Now with the concealer brush, we're gonna go ahead and mix in our concealer. Just gonna start mixing that very, very lightly. Keep a light hand.
I think I might have done this like one time in my life, and I was like not doing it right. I look like
Now that it's nice and blended into your skin, we are gonna go ahead and apply a Kylie translucent setting powder. I am going to just tap some setting powder and then go ahead and apply it to the bottom of my eye. Now we're gonna use the Melissa Michelle palette. Guys, I've had this palette. I don't even know who Melissa Michelle is, honestly. I saw this palette when I was at Ulta. The colors just like popped out for me. I've had this palette for like 3 years now, maybe 2. I don't
like it.
remember when this, yeah. It's been through some stuff. She has this very, very beautiful color called Bling Bling. And you're gonna get your outer crease, okay? We are going to use a fan brush and just remove all the excessive setting powder on your face. We're going to apply some lashes, nothing fancy, probably just some like wispy lashes. So we'll see you guys as soon as we are done. Guys, we are seriously struggling to apply eyelashes. Like, why do eyelashes have to be so hard to apply?
we know why she's late. She must be coming in with lashes on.
Now that our eyelashes are nice and applied, we are gonna go in and start bronzing our faces because I bet you guys think our faces look super white. I'm gonna go in with the Kylie Cosmetics bronzer in the color Almond.
I have two. I have my Makeup Revolution London, and the color is Bronzer Reloaded.
I'm gonna go ahead, make a kissy face. Bring her down. Usually for my nose, I use like a smaller brush, but like if you want to go in and outline your nose, you know?
With the bronzer?
And then I'm gonna go in with just like a big mixing brush and circle motions, blending your bronzer. And you wanna like bring it up, bring all the product up and just keep blending it very well so it looks nice and natural.
It's probably the last time I'll be able to do all of this. I won't remember exactly what you did at all.
Well,
Then I gotta go watch the video.
Yeah, I was
over
saying you
and
can pull
over
up this
again.
video, watch it over and over.
You right.
Alright.
Alright, you right.
And I like to get my temples.
Oh, we're not done.
No. No.
Sheesh.
Girl. Emphasize your facial structure. I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox Holiday bronzer and then just grab this color contour and just deepen mine. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I think almond is a little too light for me.
No, I think this is good for me. Oh, this is cute.
Next, we're gonna go in with the Colourpop blush sticks with X. That's in the color 25-8. So
25-8.
smile. And then you're just gonna start blending that in. And see? I'm gonna go in with my setting powder and just kind of soften my blush. We're gonna go in once again with the Melissa Michelle palette and we're gonna use the same color Bling Bling and we're gonna apply that to our waterline. So, and please don't judge our eyelashes, guys. We tried so hard to make this look good. I'm also gonna use this Studio Makeup. It's an Endurance Cream eyeshadow. I'm just gonna apply that to my inner eye. We are going to apply some Colourpop Lippy Stick in the color Cami. So this was basically the end of our look. I really like it. I think that it looks nice and like summery. As you guys can tell, she did such a wonderful job. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. Comment, like, and subscribe if you like this video. I will see you guys next week in next week's video. Bye, guys. What? Maria wins.
I'm not surprised.